Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Hello Blur video effect to overlay only in CapCut PC. So select your elements to the track. For example, I'm going to add the background and select one overlay, put on top another clip and remove the background. Just click cutout, select chroma key and select color picker. Select your color you like to remove. Alright, I'm going to add hello blur. Just click opaque and select opening and closing. You can find the hello blur. Let's add the track and just follow the direction in the same line. Let's see effect. You can see, but I want to apply to overlay only, not for background. So how to just select the overlay and effect, right click and select create component click. That. So this is the final effect you have on your video. The hello blur just applied to the overlay only, not for background. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.